महबूब दे देखने कारण
You are listening to Japan's National Weather System. Important details will follow. The National Weather Service in Nagasaki has issued a typhoon emergency. I repeat, a typhoon emergency. A typhoon emergency is a super typhoon that is going to hit Japan in 3 days. You must take food, water and a battery-powered radio for your journey. 3 days ago, off the coast of Hawaii, a tropical depression formed 60 miles off the coast of Honolulu, and has strengthened to a Cat 5. Winds are 300 miles per hour. Gusts can be up to 340 miles per hour. I repeat, a typhoon emergency has been issued by the National Weather Service of Nagasaki. Please leave Japan now. I repeat, please leave Japan now. If you don't, you will face certain death. Leave now. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, tuned in at 165.3 MHz. Today's weather for Nagasaki is partly cloudy at 65 degrees, and tonight will be stormy at 76 degrees, and in Hiroshima it will be sunny at 75 degrees, while tonight it's stormy at 73 degrees. This message was broadcasted by the National Weather Service of Nagasaki. The National Weather Service has issued a mandatory evacuation for the whole state of Japan. At 6:30 p.m. the Cat 5 typhoon has strengthened to a Cat 6 typhoon. It is unclear at this time why, but we have concluded that this is a catastrophic deal, as Japan's nuclear power plants may be exploded and turn the typhoon nuclear. I repeat, a mandatory evacuation is put into effect until 3 days later. Leave now, or face certain death.